In this ninth video, we'll explain how easy it can be to operate on each of the different elements that we explained in the preceding video. And when we talk about operating on elements of an appliance or operating on an appliance, what we're really talking about is how you can replace huge amounts of redundant pipeline code that you either already have or would have to pay to develop with a small number of very simple one-line commands so that the engineering costs of operating on different components of your business model and upgrading and changing different components of your business model can become a lot less expensive. We'll start with the same model of an appliance that is composed of a collection of systems that you saw in the last video. There are 5 different sets of on-off commands that enable you to operate or make changes to each level that we described in the last video and that we'll refer to again here. For example, the first of these pairs of commands is enabling you to turn an appliance on, meaning create an appliance altogether with ACM appliance on, or you can destroy an entire appliance with ACM appliance off, just one single line of code. That's one single CLI command. Similarly, you can operate on elements within a system. For example, if you want to create the foundation of a particular system or destroy the foundation of a particular system or simply upgrade the foundation of a particular system, you can use the simple one-line command ACM foundation off that has a few different flags attached to the same line to tell which system it is, for example. And then ACM foundation off, which will destroy the foundation. You can also operate on all of the services together that compose a system. For example, if you type ACM services on with a little flag after it specifying which system, the command line interface will cause the Agile Cloud Manager to create or upgrade all of the services in a particular system. And if you're ready to destroy all of the services in a particular system, you can type in ACM services off and specify which system, and the Agile Cloud Manager will destroy all of the services in a particular system. The fourth layer of this enables you to create or update or destroy all of the instances of one type of service. So for example, this ACM service type on command would simply have added to it the name of the type of service and the name of the system, and then it would create a new type of service. If the service type already exists when you run ACM service type on, what the Agile Cloud Manager will do is simply check the state of the service type as it exists versus the state of the template and make sure that everything in the service type is actually upgraded to make sure that it matches what's in the templates. And when you want to destroy all of the instances of a particular service type, you simply use the ACM service type off command. And the fifth and final command here is ACM service instance on, which enables you to simply create a new instance of a particular type of service in a particular system, or to destroy a particular instance of a particular type of service in a particular system. And these types of granular commands here are used in some of the different types of deployments that we can talk about separately in other videos. For example, when you're doing blue-green deployments or canary deployments and you don't necessarily want to tear down an entire appliance, you can create clones and use your DNS routers to route to the new clones and then destroy the old clones of each of these different elements. And when you put all this together, what you see is that you have immense power to perform operations on each aspect of your business, modeled in layers that are relevant to your business itself. And these commands, in being so simple, replace huge quantities of redundant pipeline code so that you no longer have to develop and maintain huge quantities of redundant pipeline code. And you can instead focus on operating on the pieces of your business that are relevant to your business with these simple one-line on-off commands that require a lot less engineering work and a lot less engineering money, so that your engineering budget can be focused on evolving your business instead of maintaining complex, redundant pipelines. You can download the Agile Cloud Manager for free at agilecloudinstitute.io, and you can hire the Agile Cloud Institute to perform technical support, training, and consulting. You can get more information and you can contact us through agilecloudinstitute.io.